Did you know someone was murdered with an umbrella on a London street? September 7th, 1978. Bulgarian journalist Georgi Markov was walking to work when a stranger bumped into him. The man jabbed him with an umbrella tip and quickly disappeared into the crowd. Markov felt only a tiny sting on his leg, like a bug bite. He went home, told his wife about the strange encounter, thought nothing of it, but hidden inside that umbrella was a pellet smaller than a pinhead, filled with ricin, one of the deadliest poisons on Earth. Over the next 4 days, Markov's body began shutting down. High fever, vomiting, internal bleeding. His organs failed one by one. Doctors couldn't save him. They didn't even know what they were fighting. Only during the autopsy did they find it. A tiny metal sphere embedded in his leg. The Cold War had turned everyday objects into perfect weapons. A briefcase, a pen, even an umbrella. The assassination was so precise, so untraceable, that Markov never knew he was already dead.